Dodge Durango RT. Front turn signal went out. Got a message on the dash. So I'm gonna make a quick video on how to change that. I went ahead and got this 4257NA is the number, and I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how to replace it. It looks pretty straightforward. The only annoying part is got this little air cowl thing, so I'm not exactly sure if this is needed, but I am going to unclip this stuff, the little air box, just so that I can have a little bit more room for my arm. We gotta take this off here. Oh, it looks like it is just a little grommet clip. There we go. And then wiggle this thing out. There we go, that unclips, I guess. There we go. So basically all I did was pull a little bit on this and then clipped this little clip from the actual air box. Now I've got access to down there, of course. So it looks like the bulb is easy access now, just right there. What I'm gonna do is twist that puppy out, pull out the old bulb, put in the new bulb, and we should be done. Obviously gotta put this back together. Let me see, looking at it from here, it looks like all right, so the one that you want to unplug is not that one right there, but there is one right here that, whatever, tough to film. Oh, right there. So anyways, I was first fiddling with this like a dum-dum, but it's actually that guy right there, whatever. Anyways, so it's actually extremely easy to pull out. All I gotta do is reach in there, obviously, and then find it again. Turn it, and then here we go. Pull this shiz out. There's the bulb. So now all you gotta do is pull that one off, take one out of your pack, throw it back in, put that puppy back on. And to remove it, you just turn that thing counterclockwise. Had to learn on the fly. Does look like this bulb is a little different design. Yeah. Bought the wrong fucking bulb, son of a bitch. Alright guys, so the guys at AutoZone know a ton. They first sold me the wrong light bulb. So whatever, had to waste a ton of time and drive back. This is the right part number. It's the bulb that I removed, right part number. You guys saw that I unplugged it already from there. So what I'm gonna do now is just plug in the new bulb and put everything back together. So here we go. So it just clips back into place. Find the hole that you pulled it out of. And now instead of counterclockwise, you go clockwise to lock it into place, and that's it. So now we have the task of putting this back together. I have this unclipped already. I guess if you wanted to go nuts, you could unscrew this, totally pull it off, but I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is pull out the air filter. It looks like it's in great shape. The reason why I did that is so that I could see where this is going to clip in, to know for sure that it clipped in properly. So wiggle this shiz in somehow. See here, should be able to push out this whole airbox now. Just gotta be nice to it, I guess. A bit. This freaking clip over there, making this look so easy, aren't I? Okay, let me pull this crap out real quick. There we go. Okay, slide this puppy in, clip it back into place like so. And then what we can do is bring this shit back in like so. And you know, what would have been nice is to not lost that clip. Let me see if I can yank it out real quick. One of these things, without damaging it. There we go. That way I can feed it in nice and easy. Get it to clip on both sides and push her right back in place like so. Now what you're gonna do is take your air filter, shove it back into place. If it looks like it needs to be changed, I guess go ahead and change it. And put this shiz back into place like so. How about that, guys? Perfect. That's it. All there is to it. Now go ahead and turn on the engine and see if you get the notification again, and of course test it out and make sure that it doesn't rapidly blink. But just like that, you too can work on your own pile. So anyways, this is the 3157A. That's what you need to purchase, not the other part number that I had. So start it up real quick. Ooh. Nothing on the dash. Let me signal. Okay. There we go, guys. Just needed to go through the little cycle a little bit. So as you can see, now it's signaling, and it's not rapid signaling. So that's all that you wrote, guys. Another amazing video. Now my wife can drive this bucket again. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next.